Okay, good day everybody. This is the ASM Twins FS. You can see the chart. So on Sunday we were saying price will fall down a little bit because we saw a 3B pattern followed by a bearish candle, which was market closing on Friday. So you can see what happened on the market today. So the market was literally coming down, and you can see the rejection candle to the upside. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. So we are expecting price to react from this area. This is on 4 hour time frame. We are expecting price to give us a reaction from here before we take any buy position. So price should react from this area there. So that is our focus for the week. That is our focus for the week. That is our focus for the week. So let's go to 1 hour. So we will be waiting for price to make a reaction from this area. You can see the trend. I'm hoping it will still come down. Like this is what I'm saying. Price will still move from this area to this area. So the reaction we'll see from this area here, maybe like a change of character to the upside, or impulsive movement from this area and giving us something like this, which is the 3B pattern. Then we can enter from that area. So that is my focus for the NAS. You can see it. The market is really making uptrend, higher high, higher low, and you can see that market had made a break of structure in this area, like a break of structure here, a break of structure here. So price took out this area as form of liquidity grab, making a break of structure to the upside. So we are expecting price to give us a reaction at this area. That is that for NAS. Let's go to AUD. So remember, we are talking about price falling on Monday market, and you can see it is coming as a reality. This is our AUD. This is our focus as a flip zone, and you can see that price literally came down very fine. So I told you guys that this area will not be holding because of there's imbalance below it, and it is already a liquidity already. So you can see what price did. Price jumped to the upside on Monday and start coming down. You can see it. So this is it, and we'll still be waiting for this area. This will be our POI for AUD. This other block, this very other block here, this will be our POI for the week for AUD. So the reaction we will see from this area will give us a clear direction of the trend. Or price can react from this area for where it is now. So price can react from this area, I don't care, but we'll still be waiting. Price can react from this area, but with this great push down or the impulsive movement of this candle, we can see that price will still continue to make the bearish momentum. So we are expecting price for AUD, price to come like this, give us a reaction at this area, like change of character or a great impulsive move to the upside, something like this, very impulsive move. Then we can enter at any area with price action, or we use our candle pattern, or we use our flip zone pattern to enter AUD. So that is that for AUD. That is my focus for AUD. US30, the same thing. So US30 is currently making down momentum, like it's falling down a bit. It's falling down a bit. So US30 is falling down, NAS is falling down, S&P 500 is equally falling down. So we'll be waiting for price to give us a price action push up to the upside before we take any trade. So that will be our focus for the week. My God, let this thing connect now. So let's wait for US30. So this US30, you can see the candle. You can see, I told you guys that US30 has not made any break of structure. That was a liquidity grab. You remember what I said? A break of structure is like when full candle body closes below this up. You can see it, the candle body barely closed above it, so we are expecting price to react at this area. So if price should give us a confirmation of buy from this area, we'll wait for the price action before we take any trade. So we are expecting price to give us something like this. So price should give us maybe like 2 break of structure to the upside, then we can continue the buy. That is for US30. You can see it, the sell was very nice, so this is a fake breakout. So we are waiting for a reaction from this area, or even this area. If price should come to this area speedily, but this is our POI for the week. So we are still buying. We'll still be buying based on news. We'll still be buying. S&P 500 is still the same thing. So S&P 500 is still the same thing. NAS, US30, S&P 500, and AUD, they are moving in the same direction. Remember, NAS, AUD, US 500, US30, they always move in the same direction. There is one always ahead of one, and there is one always lagging, or they can move vice versa. So that is that. For US 500, we still be waiting for this area. Let me just say this area, this point here, still be waiting for this point because it's closer to this OB. So we are expecting price to fall for US 500 before we take any trade. So that is that. So the advice is keep trading, don't stop. Keep trading, don't stop. Trading is the best business ever. So that is my advice. And keep trading. Just keep trading. Life is all about buying and selling. Anywhere you go, any area of life is all about buying. Sacrifice what you can give and what you can have with what you are giving. So that is that. So thank you for today. See you in another day. Thanks.